Hello, welcome back to my channel, and good afternoon to every one of you. The daily weather right now is raining, and it is very unusual, and it is very cool, fresh, and I'm feeling a little bit cold also. It's very nice anyway. So today I'll be doing some animal sounds, which is also my talent. Hope you guys will enjoy my video. Let's keep watching. Let's keep doing the crazy stuff, right? So first of all, I'll be imitating the cat sound. I'll try my best, guys. How is it, sir? How is it, guys? Yeah, that is the cat sound. And the next is a puppy sound, okay? Oh my god, guys! I love puppies a lot. I love dogs. Dogs are my favorite animal because they are faithful, they are loyal, they are friendly. Oh, they are so adorable, they are so cute. Oh my god. I just love dogs. And I have a dream to keep dogs, okay? Okay. Let's get to the point. Puppy. I'm excited, guys. I'm too excited. Okay, get ready, guys. I'm going to bark. I'm going to bark at you guys, right? What's wrong with you? I just love you. I just squeeze. Oh my god, the cute puppies. Okay, let's move on to the next. That is a rooster. A rooster. Whew, little bit hard for me because I just, you know, the neighboring place, the neighboring people, no, they will just think that, oh, what is going on in that particular room, no? They know that I'm living here, so I'm little bit aware. What I mean to say is that I'm little bit aware, and then I'm little kind of not too much, you know, comfortable, but for you guys I'll be doing, yes. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I need to be okay. Roaster. Wait, I am not feeling so why I'm not feeling comfortable with this roaster, because okay, don't get boring, guys. I'm going to focus now. Why? There is no energy in me, my. This is not morning also, guys. What the other people will be thinking of. That is called the wrong mindset. That is called the wrong mentality. You should never think what others will think of you. Be the best version of yourself. Because the truth is, nobody ever cares you. Okay. Did it came? I think it came, yeah. That's what to say. The more I try, the more better I can come out. But right now it's not morning, so try to understand, guys. Okay, the next is goat. Sheep and goat. Okay, you got it. Okay, goat. I need to, you know, exercise my stomach, because, you know, actually right now the making of the sounds of these animals are a little bit hard for me, because I just now I ate my meal, no? Oh, my stomach is already full, guys. That is why, no? But you guys got me already, right? You guys. Okay, this is all for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Nothing much.